In today's video, I will show you how to export a Qualtrics survey to PDF. First, open your browser, go to the official site of Qualtrics, and make sure you are logged in. Once you are on the home page, open the project you want. Having a PDF copy of your survey is incredibly helpful for archiving your work or sharing a clean, uneditable preview with teammates for a final review before launching. To do this, click Tools in the top navigation bar, hover your mouse over Import, Export, and then select Print Survey. A new browser print window will immediately pop up on your screen. From here, look at the print settings and make sure that the destination option is set to Save as PDF rather than a physical printer. Once you verify that, simply click the Save button at the bottom to download the document directly to your computer. And that's it! That's how you export a Qualtrics survey to PDF.